Hello, my name is Victoria Larson, COO of Diva Talent, Production, and Event. You're watching The Gems Talk. Today, I'm joined by Akhila from Dynamic Accounting Solutions, specialized in bookkeeping and outsourced CFO services. In this episode, we'll explore her journey into building dynamic accounting solutions, the importance of financial clarity, common mistakes businesses make, and how the right financial systems can transform growth, along with how BNI has played a role in her journey. Welcome to the Gems Talk, Akhila.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear it.
So Akhila, you run Dynamic Accounting Solutions, specializing in bookkeeping and outsourced CFO services. What inspired you to start this business, and what gap did you see in the market?
See, most of the entrepreneurs are very good in their sales, operational, and product development. But coming to the financial management, often it will be an afterthought. So I'm struggling more business owners. So not because of their lack of revenue, due to their unstructured financial management, cash flow management, and not timely reporting. So we Dynamic Accounting Solutions not only providing accounting and bookkeeping, but we are providing professional, reliable, and affordable financial management system. So this made me to start Dynamic Accounting Solutions. More than accounting and bookkeeping, we help them to make the decisions to run their business in a smoother and transparent way.
That's incredible, Akhila. Many business owners underestimate the importance of proper financial management. Could you break down what bookkeeping really involves and why it's critical for growth?
What a proper accounting and bookkeeping. It's not just a data entry. So it's like accurate recording of your income and expenses, bank, credit card, and cash reconciliation, accounts payable and accounts aging, tracking, analysis, and how to improve your cash flow based on that, monthly reporting review. By doing all these things, what you can do in your business is you can understand where your revenue is leakaging, where your profit is leakaging, how to do a better internal control, how to do a proper cash flow management, how to analyze your data, your dashboards, how to do a proper financial management. So all these areas we will be helping them to do in a proper and a compliant way. Every business owners, they are stressed when the tax deadlines are coming. They will approach us for I didn't do this. So instead of rushing into deadlines, do it in a proper manner so that they can get a peace of mind in their business. They can focus on their business. So most of the business owners, they are making decisions from a guess, and that guess is an expensive. So instead of doing that, keep your books of accounts proper way so that you can make decisions from the books, not from an emotion.
That's such a great point you've made, Akhila. So you really come in providing value, really helping with the financials of businesses. So what are the most common financial mistakes you see entrepreneurs make, especially in the early stages?
So first thing, of the most common mistakes I can understand from the businesses here in UAE, they are mixing their personal expenses and business expenses, and they are not focused on their cash flows, and they are just ignoring their receivables and payment structures. So they are not doing any budgeting, forecasting, poor documentation, and lack of audit readiness. So by keeping proper books of accounts, we can avoid all those mistakes.
From your experience, what habits or systems separate financially successful businesses from those that struggle?
So you have to do monthly reviews with your financial KPIs, operational KPIs. Then you have to compare your budget versus actuals, how it is going, whether you are achieving the budget or achieving the forecast. But you have to check your cash flow management frequently and use a proper accounting software where you can get those reports from the software itself instead of avoiding your manual work and strong internal controls, proper documentation, and your document should be audit ready.
What advice would you give to BNI members interested in joining BNI?
See, if you want to get business, you have to give business. You will be more active in BNI. You have to show your expertise, what you are doing, and what is your business, how it is doing, and build relationship and networking in BNI. So this help you to grow, get business, get good referrals. Also, you can give business to your teammates.
True, and I think that's one of our core philosophies, which is givers gain.
Givers gain, yes.
Yes, and showing the importance of giving. And what I also hear a lot is that it's the amount of effort you also put in.
Yes.
So you reap the reward based on how much effort you put into BNI.
Yes, exactly. You should be very active in BNI.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Akhila.
Thank you.